Hi guys, my name is Vibhor and today I'm going to tell you how to do web scraping in Google Sheets with the help of a simple formula called IMPORTHTML. So here you can see this is my Google Sheets dashboard with all my spreadsheets and the starting templates that you can use. So what I will do is I will just create a blank sheet. Okay, so for example, if I want to scrape Wikipedia for its information around the coronavirus pandemic, so what I will do is I will simply Google search wiki COVID table. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to fetch a table format, and what we can do is we can look at all the different tables. So everything on this is listed as a table on this page. So we will have to exactly find out which table we want to plot. So for example, this is the table for total cases, deaths and death rates. We can also plot the table where they have like all the information. So for example, this is the information for all the countries, or we can use this one where they have plotted it by every quarter, right? So by every month, start of each month, they have given this information. Okay, so what I will try and do is I will try to fetch this table, but since I don't know the table name, we can do a little hit and trial. So what I have to do is I will have to copy this and just say is equal to import HTML, and then I will have to give it the URL. So this is the URL, then the query would be table, and as I can see that the other table was quite low in that page, so I will give it a random number, say 13. So let's see what it fetches for us. Okay, so there is an error. So it says unknown range name table. So what I will do is I need to give this table also in a double quotes, and when I press enter, you can see it's fetching some information, right? So let's go back and see if this has given us this correct table. So this is the table that it has given us now, right? So I just randomly did a 13 and it gave us this table. What we need is the second half. So what I will do is I will quickly change this to 14, and I will get the exact location that I want, the exact table that I want. And the great thing is that this table can be updated every time you need it just by pressing enter on this, and if there are any changes, all of them will be brought here. So this is how easy it is to work with or to scrape web information or web pages into a Google Sheet. So I hope you found this video useful. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.